Madge provided me with the motivation to get going here and to keep going and to push myself. And, you know, I made a lot of friends. The trainers have all been exceptional with me, exceptional. When I'm in the pool, if there's something that I cannot do because my water leg is so heavy, the trainer will say, you know, let's modify this. And they will come up with a modification for me so that I keep moving constantly. And that is just incredible to me that, you know, they think about this. And even at the next class, you know, the trainer will say to me, you know, I thought about this. I thought about how to modify this, you know, move for you in the water. And to me, that just is someone who is dedicated to their job.
Well said.